Okay, so we're gonna get started on term 3, week 4, question 6. So as always, read the question first. The stadium maintenance team is preparing for an ODI match. They are required to paint all the lines and markings that will indicate wide signals, out or not, and calls, depending on whether the batsman is inside the crease or not. David, the painter, is given the dimensions of the length of the entire pitch. So he says that the length of the entire pitch is that the length should be 8 times the width. Not only that, he is told that the area of the pitch should be 32 meters squared. So it says if David were to paint a thin line along each side of the pitch, what would be the distance of paint required to paint? What would be the distance of paint David is required to paint? So the area is 32, and we know that the length is 8 times the width. So let's solve this algebraically. How do we find the area of a rectangle? The area of a rectangle's area is length times the width. Knowing the area, we can sub in this value as 32 is equal to length times the width. Since we know what the length is, we can sub in this value. So 32 is equal to 8 times the width times the width. So now when you do algebraic equations, you get rid of the numbers. So 8 divided by 8, so get rid of this. 32 divided by 8, and you get 4. So 4 is equal to width times the width. Now we have to find a number that multiplied by itself gives you 4, so therefore width is equal to 2. 2 goes here. To find the length, we sub in width in this equation, and 8 times 2 gives you 16, and therefore that's the width. That's the length. Now the question asks you to find the perimeter, so all you have to do is 16 plus 2 gives you 18 times 2 gives you 36, and that's the answer.